Problem number 7. A 12 inches square bearing plate lies between an 8 inches diameter wooden post and a concrete footing as shown in the figure. Determine the maximum value of the load P if the stress in wood is limited to 1,800 psi and that in concrete to 650 psi. So makikita natin dito, given in our problem, that we have here an 8 inches diameter wooden post and we have a concrete footing with a dimension of 12 inches by 12 inches. So given dito yung mga allowable stresses. For the stress in wood, that is limited to 1,800 psi. For stress in concrete, that is limited to 650 psi. So first thing na gagawin natin is to compute the allowable load P na kakayanin ng wood. So for wood, we have stress in wood is equal to the force to be resisted by the wooden post and the area of the wooden post. So we have here the stress in wood, which is limited to 1,800 psi, and we have the unknown Pw over the area of the woods. Makita natin dito that we have a circular cross-section. So since kapag sa normal stress, ang tinitingnan natin dito is the area perpendicular to the applied load. So if this is the applied load and yung force to be resisted by the wood should be perpendicular to the area of the wood. So if the cross-sectional area here is circle, so therefore we have here the area of the circle, that is pi diameter. So it's given, it's 8 inches square over 4. So we have here the force in wood is equal to, so using the calculator, we have 1,800 is equal to the force in wood, so palitan natin siya ng x over the area, that's pi times diameter square over 4. Shift, solve, equals, and we have 90,477.9. So we have here 90,477.9 pounds. From the free body diagram of wood, we have, so kung titingin tayo dito sa isang side, ito makikita natin. So we have here, kakat natin to, yung wood. So we have here force P, and this is the Pw, or the force resisted by the wooden post. So by summation of forces vertical is equal to 0, taking the upper direction as positive, we can say that the P applied here is negative because it's downward, plus the Pw is equal to 0. So we can say that P is just equal to Pw, and the Pw na na-compute na natin is equal to 90,477.9 pounds. And if we are going to compute for the force resisted by the concrete footing, so we have here for concrete, we have stress in concrete is equal to the force resisted by the concrete footing over the area of the concrete footing. So we have here the stress in concrete, which is limited to 650 psi. That is equal to the force resisted by the concrete over the area of the concrete. We have 12 inches times 12 inches. So that's 144, or equal to 12 inches square. And if we are going to compute for the force in concrete, that would be 650 is equal to x over 12 square. Shift, solve equals, and we have 93,600 pounds. So that is 93,600 pounds. So if we are going to draw the free body diagram of concrete, we would have this view here. So ito yung wooden post, tapos this is the bearing plate, and this is the concrete footing. So if we are going to cut this, may expose yung force resisted by the concrete, and we have here the force P. Now, if we are going to summate forces vertical is equal to 0, taking the upward direction as positive, so we have negative P kasi it's downward, plus PC is equal to 0. So we can say that P is just equal to PC, and the PC, which is equal to 93,600 pounds. So we have here the P, which is 90,477 pounds, and this P here for the concrete, which is 93,600 pounds. So pipiliin natin kung sino yung safe na load sa dalawa. So yung pinaka-safe na load ay yung mas mababa. So that is 90,477.9 pounds. This is our answer. So bakit natin pinili yung mas lowest compared to 93,600? So if we have the load of up to 90,477.9 pounds, ito ay kakayanin ng lahat ng material, ng wood at saka ng concrete. But if the load exceeds this value up to 93,600 pounds, ito ay kakayanin ng concrete. No? Pero magpi-fail na yung wood. So therefore, the safe value is equal to 90,477.9 pounds.